Controller drift can be frustrating while playing Rocket League, but there are simple steps you can take to fix it. Follow this guide to resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check for physical obstructions. Inspect your controller for any debris or dirt around the analog sticks. Clean the area gently with compressed air or a soft cloth to remove any particles that may be causing the drift. Step 2. Calibrate the controller. Access your console or PC settings to calibrate your controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure that the analog sticks are properly aligned and functioning as intended. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect your controller to your console or PC and check for any available updates to the system settings or the manufacturer's software. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. In Rocket League, navigate to the settings menu and adjust the dead zone settings for your controller. Increasing the dead zone can help reduce the effects of drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Step 5. Consider replacement. If the drift persists after trying the above steps, it may be time to consider replacing the controller or seeking professional repair services. Sometimes, internal components can wear out and cause ongoing issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve controller drift and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Rocket League. Good luck and have fun!